Hello, computer cooks and retro recipes. Hi, it's Jan Beta. Hi Jan, I can't talk right now, I'm actually filming a YouTube video. Yeah, I'll call you back when YouTube goes offline for the night. Alright, cheerio. Now, I've got just 30 seconds, the length of a ringtone, to let you know that my Commodore 64 chiptune, one of those things featuring Commodore 64, is now available as a ringtone. Check out the description below, it's got all the links you need for iOS, Android, also to stream the full-length Radio Edit single version, and to watch the music video. Also, if you happen to be one of my lovely Patreons, you'll get it for free. Please check it out, and next time Jan Beta calls you, it can sound like this too. We've just got a few seconds left. Everybody, let's dance. Oh no, wait, we're out of time. Cheerio. Let's dance. Yeah! No, that's an Apple IIe. We don't dance with those.